Hi friends, in this video we'll see a basic chapter, that is HCF and LCM. It is important for all the examination. We'll try to see how to find the LCM of some given numbers, HCF of some given numbers, and what are the types of questions asked in your examination. So first let us take a number that is 12, then 15 and then 30. So the first thing, let us try to understand how to find the LCM, that is least common multiple. So I'm going to write here the least common multiple, that is 12, then 15 and then 30. Now many students, they do mistakes. Directly they take some bigger number, like for example 6, they will take 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. You can do it, but in beginning when you are trying to practice maths, you need not take that much risk of taking a big number. You try to take a number 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13, then 17. In this way you go. Now for example, let me take with 2 first. This is 2. 2 6 are 12. This is 15 as it is. 2 into 15 gives you 30. Again I'll take 2. This is 2 3s are 6. Take 15 as it is. Now you take 3, because now you can't divide any number with 2. So you take 3. This is 3 1s are. This is 3 5s are. This is 3 5s are. Now 3 is gone. Now take 5. This is 5, 1 and 1. So till you don't get 1, you have to keep dividing it, and then you have to find the LCM, you have to multiply. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 into 2 60. So the LCM you got here is 60. Okay, so the LCM, the answer is 60. In this way you can find the LCM of many numbers, any different numbers which is given in your question. So a part of LCM is over. Now if the question is find the HCF of this given number, so this is 12, 15 and 30. So what you are going to do, take the smallest number. So here the smallest number is 12. Now I am going to tell you how to find the highest common factor. In question they may give you the greatest divisor or something like the greatest factor. Now for example, this is 12 and 15. This is 12 and this is 15. Now 12 ones are 12. 15 minus 12 will give you 3. So remainder is 3. Now I have to continue this division till I get the remainder as 0. Now I got 3 here. So again you are going to take this 12 here. Now 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Now you can stop it. Now you have to take this number 3, which was responsible for getting the remainder as 0. Now take this 3. So I have already divided 12 and 15. What is remaining here is that 30. Now let us check whether 3 and 30 is completely divisible. Now take 3 and now in bracket 30. We very well know 3 tens are 30. 30 minus 30 gives you 0. So this number 3 is dividing all this number equally. So the answer is 3. So if I can say HCF of this is 3. So when you are trying to solve these questions of HCF and LCM, you need to master your skills in finding the LCM and finding the HCF. So this is one division method where you get the answers exactly right. Okay, so in shortcut we'll try to do in upcoming videos about the shortcut how to find the HCF and LCM. Next, a very important formula to solve the questions in this chapter is, the formula is like this: HCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. So this is a very important formula. HCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. So now they may ask you, they may give you like the HCF of a number is 12. Find the LCM. First number is 15 or second number is 30, something like that. Okay. So based on this you have to find the values of LCM. Okay. Always remember, LCM will be the largest number. Okay, always remember in this HCF LCM chapter, LCM will be the largest number. So now let us try to understand what are the types of question asked in your examination, application oriented. Now the question asked here is like, for example, the question is, there are 3 signals. One signal glows at 30 seconds, another at 20 seconds and another at 10 seconds. Okay, so there are 3 signals they all turn in a different timing, that is 30 seconds, 20 seconds and 10 seconds. Now the question is, at for example 10 a.m. at 10 a.m. all the signals were red in color. So find the immediate next time when all the signals will be red in color. So now what you have to do, this is a particular kind of question of LCM, that is 30, 20 and 10. If you find the LCM of this, you will get LCM as 60. Okay, that means LCM 60 means the answer is 60 seconds, or I may say that 60 seconds is nothing but 1 minute. So here what happens, this will be 10.01 hours. That means next 1 minute all the signals will glow red in color. Like that kind of question they will ask you in your examination. Now instead of these signals, they may ask you in a school, a bell ring at 30 minutes, 20 minutes and 10 minutes. Okay, so what is the next time all the bell will ring together? So 60 minutes will become 60 seconds, here it will become minutes, that is 1 hour. So answer will be 11. Okay, so these are the types of question. And in HCF, distribution, for example, I have to distribute English book and maths book, okay, something like that. So you have to find the HCF of this. So I hope that I have done the basics here in this video. So you have to master your HCF LCM skills and then you have to solve the questions. See you next time. Thank you.